How to send messages to someone on Badoo. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can send messages to someone on Badoo. So to do that, first of all, open the Badoo app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Badoo account. Now once you're logged in, first of all, let me show you an example. Let's say you want to message this person right over here. So in order to message them, there you won't find any options on how you can message them. Even if you tap these three dots, you like or dislike them. So in order to message someone, first of all, you'll have to like them on Badoo, and once you've done that, you'll have to simply wait and pray that they like you back on Badoo. And once you both like each other, you will show up on the chat page over here as matches, and if you are a match, only then will you be able to message someone on Badoo. So that was the only way on how you can message someone on Badoo. You'll have to first of all like them and then wait and pray that they like you back, and once you both like each other, only then will you be able to message them. So hope this video cleared your confusion. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.